problem using one of four formulas. We're either going to use slope-intercept, the standard form of a quadratic, the rational root theorem, or factor by grouping. Now we must determine which one we use. Okay?
Yeah, I think this one's grouping.
Grouping. Alright, well, try that.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you did it correctly, and this is actually an answer, but is that a real number or no?
No,
It's not. Why is it not real?
because under radical.
Well, just because it's under radical doesn't mean it's not real. There's something else besides that. There's a negative, yes. So a negative radical. What happens if you take a square root of a negative?
I don't think you can.
You can't. It's an imaginary number, right?
Yeah.
So that's not going to be a real number. That's an imaginary number. So this is not.
So, and this is what's the real solution, says this one.
Yeah. So it says what's the real solution? We put the -3 because that's the only real solution.
Yeah.
All right. Good job.